sa Sergeant at Arms, you tell Hernandez and the lawyer na hanggang 12, pag hindi sila bumalik doon, I will cancel the legislative immunity na binigay sa kanya. And we will not recommend him to be admitted into the witness protection program. Remember, yung admission doon is upon the recommendation of the Senate President. So I don't know, hindi pa alam yung
So, umalis po ulit si Bryce kanina?
I don't know, hindi ko pa na-check.
Sino raw yung nagbigay ng go signal sa CIDG? Bakit?
Acting hindi po walang FIS.
So, let's put it this way. Okay. Yung operation, when Hernandez was brought out of the premises na sinabi, it was upon his request. On record, during the hearing, payagan daw siyang malit yung kanyang contempt order para makalabas, para ma-submit yung mga dokumento, para merong mag-support sa kanyang allegation. So, initially, parang I was reluctant kasi sabi, unang pumasok sa isip ko, baka sasalisi, tatakas, or baka magtatago kasi approach na yung back account na. So, but you know, I stepped over it, and the following morning, I called up the Senate President. Sabi ko, second thought, payagan natin kasi isigal na lang natin, baka nga naandun yung mga ebidensya. So, early morning, Saturday, inescortan na siya, 6 o'clock. Ang binigyan namin pass is 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. So, nagulat nga yung si General Aplasca, kanina he reported to me na biglang may sumunod na si IDG. So I question. Sabi ko, this is an entirely Senate operation. Okay. And this was done upon the request of the person himself. So we didn't need any search warrant kasi voluntary. So doon nagkaroon ng risk. Ako, I was of the impression, nung una, nagdala na nga naman sa yung computer eh. Nagulat na lang ako nung kagabi, wala palang nadalang computer, naiwan pala doon because nagkaroon nga ng pagbago ng isip.
So paano nyo kukunin